Hi everyone, in today's video how to export your designs for 3D printing. So as you can see, I have a design here, just a simple design, and first thing we want to do is, as a best practice, name it something meaningful. So let's rename it. Let's say pie, right? And then what we can do is we can click on save as a mesh. You will get an option dialog here. Make sure it's selected as export, and then object selected should be selected. As you can see, it is highlighted here, and highlighted here, for example, and then it should be, the format should be STL for 3D printing, right? Unit type should be millimeters. That's what we use usually, and you can preview it. And one thing to note is under refinement settings, your refinement, this option should be high, and all you need to do is now click OK. As you can see, we get another dialog box, and here the name is pi, which it took from here. Whatever your name of your body is here, it will be here as well. Now you have to make sure where you're saving this. I'm saving it under experiments, right? Okay, so now all you have to do is click save, and it should appear under your preferred folder. Now what we can do is we can preview it. Quick look, and now you can see our file is exported, and now you can drag and drop into your slicer. That's all. Thanks for watching.